Happy morning, children. Let us to begin the friendly mongoose today. Once, a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So one day a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their young kid, and they both loved their kid very much. So here the farmer asked his wife that having companion for their kid. When their son will grows up, then he will need a companion, and this pet will be his companion, they felt. And even the wife too liked this idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will be soon be fully grown. He will be a friendly to our son. So one day evening, the farmer brought a tiny mongoose, a baby mongoose. By seeing this, his wife said it is a baby, but soon it will grow and he will be best friend of our son. Both said. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. So here, both the baby and the baby mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose it grew its full size and it became so lovely, so cute animal with its two shining black eyes and it got a bushy tail. But still, the farmer's son was a baby in the cradle who was found sleeping and crying alternately most of the time. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I'm off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him frankly. I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. So one day the farmer's wife, she wanted to go to the market, so she made her baby to sleep and she informed her husband to take care of baby because she don't like to leave the baby alone with the mongoose because she had a fear that it may harm the baby. You needn't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby and they are the best friends, you know. Then the farmer replied, no need to be afraid. Both baby and mongoose are the best friends and mongoose is a friendly animal, he said. The wife went away and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. By saying this, the wife went to market, and farmer, as he was feeling bored by sitting alone in home, no work to do, he decided to take a look at his fields, and on the way he met his some of the friends too. So there was a little time he took to come back home. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. The farmer's wife took on took one look at the mongoose and screamed blood. She cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. So here the farmer's wife, she completed her shopping and she came home along with a basket full of groceries. And she saw the mongoose sitting outside as waiting for her as usual. By seeing her, it went to welcome her. But when the farmer's wife took a look at the mongoose, she screamed soon after seeing that by saying blood. And when she saw the mongoose's face and paws were smeared with blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. So, as she came back, she saw blood smeared mongoose. By seeing that, she screamed as blood and she shouted, "You wicked animal, you bad animal, you have killed my baby." By saying this, she brought her complete strength and put down the basket, which was full of groceries, on the blood smeared mongoose, and she ran inside to the child's cradle. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What I have done," she cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Soon after seeing her baby sleeping, as she found her baby sleeping in cradle, but within a fraction of second, she found on the floor that a black snake was torn and bleeding. Within a flash, she realized that actually black snake came to kill her baby. And suddenly she ran outside looking for the mongoose, and by touching the mongoose, she said, "Oh, you have saved my child and killed the snake. What I have done," she cried by touching the mongoose, who was dead and lay down on the ground. But still, it was unaware of her sobbing because the time was late. It was too late. Then the farmer's wife, she felt very bad, very sad about her behavior. Without thinking, she acted. So, as she was crying, she heard baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went inside the home to feed the baby. Dear children, many of the times even we too act like a farmer's wife, isn't it? We act all of a sudden without thinking even a single second. Don't do that. Some of the time it may hurt you, isn't it? Good day.